Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to update your email account password on your iPhone. Whether you've changed your password or just want to keep your account secure, this guide will help you through the process, so let's get started. First, unlock your iPhone and tap on the settings icon, all your account settings. Now scroll down until you see mail. Tap on it to access your email settings. Next, tap on accounts. Here you'll see a list of all the email accounts you have set up on your iPhone. Now tap on the email account for which you want to update the password. This will take you to the account settings. Now here look for the update password field. Here you can enter your new password. Make sure it's correct to avoid any login issues. After that, once you've updated, simply tap on save. And that's it. You've successfully updated your email account password on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.